Nullarbor Plains, and what makes it so is that it's void of all trees, absolutely no trees on the Nullarbor Plains, and it looks like we're coming up to a small little I don't even have to call it a town, but it's a stop called Nullarbor as well. So we'll go have a look, maybe we can get something to eat as well, and stretch our legs a bit. We'll try to keep going a little bit further today. And the sign says here there's scenic flights to the what's it called, to where the whales are being watched, which we've passed, but unfortunately it's close to 3:30 now, and they locked the gates at 3:30, so it would have been a pointless exercise. So this is where we are, Nullarbor Roadhouse, Nullarbor Links Golf Course, Dingo's Den. So we're still in South Australia, and we'll see what we can get. It looks like there's an odd thing that's here, and they're making full use of the fact that it's not too far from here is where you can go spotting for the whales. And as I said, we've gone past it. Unfortunately, it closes their gates, and I wouldn't have been able to do anything. It's also a drone-free area. Obviously, there's been people that are droning towards where the whales are, and we're still not in whale season when they migrate elsewhere, and that sort of happens in July from what I've read. So that would have been the Head of Bight is where they have all that whale watching and stuff. So we're at the Nullarbor Roadhouse. It's really big. It accommodates, I think, heaps of trucks if they wanted to come in here. It's also got a hotel, it's got food, plenty of petrol, and a lot of stray dogs running around. Now, I don't think they're dingoes, but they could very well be, especially the colour of one in the distance. So this is their icon, or the showpiece for the service station, gas station. I'll just show you where we are. So it's just a quick stop. We'll continue on. I actually want to park off somewhere near just a rest area for me. I'm fine with just a rest area. Don't need all the mod cons. I can do that anywhere. Have a shave, shower and all that at one of the other truck stops as we go around. So there's a bit of information. Very good. Let's get something to eat and continue on. Just a couple of more images of the Nullarbor Roadhouse. Just wondering if that's the old roadhouse building there. I'll have a look. A lot of trucks do stop here. I can recommend it to stay overnight, which I absolutely did. The showers are terrific. They're only $1 and they get you about 5 minutes, but it seemed a lot longer, so I think they're pretty easy on the time that they give you. And the place opens at 7 AM. It does close, but you can get petrol here, and it's one of those situations whereby you prepay and pump it yourself, and then whatever you don't use doesn't get taken out of your account. But if it's open, then you can pay inside. And there is a restaurant, there's a bar, there's a pub. As you can see, there's hotel rooms, motel rooms, there's everything here. So this is your old Nullarbor Roadhouse from back in the day. Looks like there was a bit of a workshop there if you broke down. I'd say that the petrol Bowser was probably even older than that, for sure. And you come in here to pay. Very, very good. I do like the little bit of art they've put on. So it is very, very good. You see there's a whole row of motorhomes. There's even one from Maui, which is quite interesting. And there you have it. Very good. Okay, we're inside the roadhouse. This is another mural that looks fantastic, without a shadow of doubt. And I'll show you the where they keep all the stuff and souvenirs you can buy and the food you can get. But it's very, very good. There's a hooch. Fantastic. If you need any souvenirs, this is the place to come. Okay, so here we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's basically just a roadhouse that has all the facilities you probably would need for an overnight stay, or even more than one if you're going to go watch the whales. Once again, if you did like the video, by all means, click on that like button or that thumbs up icon. Please consider subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent, but it really does help the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day. And thank you for your time for watching.